Me I kick it with myself, look a bit. Me I kick it with myself, look a bit. Watch the energy hang around. And watch it back a man Jordan never get around. Me I kick it with myself, look a bit.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shan, and I'm on my way home. I'm waiting for a taxi to go home. I need to go home to get some stuff, and also I called my friend and asked her if she could do my nails. She said she's not sure. It's a maybe. Hopefully she does it. Sorry. Let me get the plastic then in another container. Give me one, please. Thank you. So guys, I got home and my friend is going to do my nails. I took off the one that I had on, so I'm just preparing myself. She's on her way here. Y'all saw when I stopped and I got elastic band, and here they are. So I'm gonna take these out and put in the elastic. But yeah, guys, when I'm doing my nails, I'm gonna come back, okay? This is what my nails is looking like. Ooh, very cutesy, very demure. Yeah. So guys, I got home about half an hour ago. So I went and I took this out of my fridge. This is beetroot and carrots. I make some beetroot and carrot juice. Not today because it's already late, maybe tomorrow. My mom, her planting tree beer. Guys, I'm looking outside because my kids are about to come home. It's now 5 minutes and they're supposed to be home any minute. So plantain I took from off my mom's tree. Yeah. And guys, I told you that I was gonna get my nails done, and I think I showed y'all a clip of my nails, but I'm gonna show y'all again. My friend, she ate down. Ooh. And she's also a beginner's nail tech. So she did good. I can do my own nails, but I like when somebody do my nails for me, because when I do my own nails, I take forever to do them because I'm such a perfectionist, and I like when it's done perfectly. I like when it look like a professional did them. So yeah. Ooh, 10 story in a one. Also, you guys, I wanted to give you this video that I'm recording right now today, but I do not have enough footage, so I won't be able to record for you guys. I won't be able to give you guys a video today, but hopefully I will have enough footage by tomorrow and you guys can get this video tomorrow. I have a video, but it need an ending, and I don't have an ending for it because it's a hair video and it should have an ending. So I am going to record the ending tomorrow, so you guys can get that on Friday. So yeah. Oh, I did went back to the wholesale, you guys. Y'all saw that I went and I got elastic bands. So you guys that I needed elastic bands for my girls' hair to do their little styles, like these, or simpler styles that it doesn't take me a long time to take out their hair, because when I do the Kano, it takes me a while to take out their hair. And Azera like to take out her hair, but sometimes she asks me to do it. Zaire cannot take out her hair by herself, so me always have to do it. And me not like when me Kano them ear and then me have to pull it out. I don't like that. So me gonna start give them back them little styles where they can take it out themselves. So as I was saying, I went to the wholesale and I got 2 of these. This is what my kids use under their armpit, the Arm & Hammer Ultra Max. I also use it, but I'm thinking about changing my deodorant when it's finished and switch to gel. I don't know if they have this in gel. Hopefully they do, so I can get it in the gel, because I don't like to see the powder residue under my armpits. Me not like see it. It look disgusting. It not cute. So me gonna change my roll-on. Them can go and use this in the meantime until me decide to want to. Guys, I'm hot. I'm very, very hot. I'm really hot, and the window is open. And because me just reach home as well, and you know, my body are cool off. I also got this Jergens. It's the hydrating coconut. I love this lotion. I love this one and the ultra healing. The ultra healing is my favorite, and then this one. I love this Jergens, my fave. Okay, so I got this. They call this the medium size. It's not the big one. It's the medium one. We were out of lotion, so I had to get this. So I got that. What else me get? Oh, I got this alcohol. You have some time when my nose is irritated and me not like borrow Tristan alcohol all the time. I like to have my own, so I buy my own. It's cheap, or $2.50 for it. Jesus, let me take off the top and smell with it right now. I like to have my own, even though she not have a problem when I borrow fair own, but I just like to have my own. I like to have my own things, you know? So I got a small one. And I showed you this earlier. Say I did get the elastic or something for the pin in them ear. And I also got this Ocean hair gel wax. I love this one. I wanted the brown butter one. This smells so good. I wanted the brown butter one, but the girl said that the brown butter one is watery, so I should take either the orange one or the white one, but I'm used to the red one, so I just took the red one. So that's it. I'm not going to cook today because guys, me a bun up. There's too much food in the fridge for me to cook. We have leftover rice and peas, we have liver, we have corned beef, and we have saltfish and baked bean with Tristan cooked this morning. So I'm going to choose from either one of those to give my kids to eat. We have rice, the rice and peas. We have to eat it, can't make it spoil. And yeah, me know when them come, they're going to be like, but mommy, I don't want that. But they have no choice. The food cannot go to waste. We're not gonna waste no food, not at all. Also, I brought this big bottle from over my house because I love to drink water, and by right I am supposed to be drinking at least 12 glass of water per day, at least. So yeah, hold on. But yeah, guys, I was telling you all that I'm supposed to be drinking 12, at least 12 bottles of water per day. I don't drink that much water per day, but I try to get as much water in my system as possible. But guys, I'm so sorry that you guys didn't get a video today. Hopefully I'm up on the road tomorrow again, and I can record that and add it to this, and you guys can see that I am about to call my kid's father to find out where my children are. It's 2:05 and they need to come home and something. I'm gonna wash out them pots here, and I'm gonna sit down and relax so I can cool off, figure bed. So I'll talk to you guys later. Yes, I'll talk to you later. Alright guys, cause I'm tired of my heart. I'm gonna need to cool off for the bed. I like my little hairstyle. So cute. What's up guys? So it's the next day. I just finished filming this video, this hair video. Go ahead and watch it. The link will be popping up right now, so go ahead and watch that video. But yeah, I didn't upload yesterday, as I told y'all earlier. I didn't upload yesterday. I told y'all earlier on in the vlog that I wouldn't upload. So yeah, I didn't have enough footage to upload any video yesterday, and I went on the road. So all of them, some of them just gone, and I couldn't upload no video. Now cook nothing too heavy, because honestly I do not feel like I want to cook today. Today is not a day I feel like I want to cook. So I'm making I'm making cooked down sausage, and I have some rice and peas in the fridge. I go eat that. I'm sure no. I cut it up already and everything. Only thing left is I put it in the after I start cook it. Only thing left after I start cook it. My mind is all over the place. So this is what I'm doing. I cut up the sausage, and I cut up the onions. So I'm gonna put some, add some sweet pepper, some garlic, and scallion to this, and then I'll be finished. But right now what I'm doing, may I clean up the table here. So I'm just going to do that, finish doing that, and then I will start with cooking. But put in the right here, so I only can see. May I clean up the table here? So I'm gonna use some paper towel. Table is clean. So I'm going to start cooking, but before I do that, I'm going to change my earrings. Okay. So that's that. That's much better. I am going to cut up the sweet pepper. I'm going to cut up the sweet pepper and come back. Right. Scallion, pepper, sweet pepper, and garlic in this. So yeah. I'm not a seasoning type of girl, so that amount of seasoning is very much good for me because I want it to boil out. I don't want to season all the food. So that's good for me. I turn on the stove, turn on the fire. So I wait on that for hot so I can put some oil in the pot. But guys, Mr. Guys, one piece of pasta. I don't really pasta, but I'm putting it right here, so hold on. I'm putting it right here, so I'm gonna look a story. So me I talked to my cousin a while ago, right? Cause we are going to memory lane and build things. You know? We are going to jog down memory lane and remember things we used to do when you're young. Cause I was like, I want when I grow up, you know, when I get old, up in age, I don't want to say, oh, I wish me did this and I wish me did that. No, I can say I did it all. Like I did it all. People might say I'm bad, I don't care. Me used to be, if you want somebody bad, okay, whatever, I don't care. But me live my life to the fullest. Yeah? So right now, me being an introvert and I calm down, I think the reason why I mostly stay inside now, I become a family member, them the overseas and stuff. And who the overseas are Christian now. So my life get boring. And most of my friends them, they overseas. But anyways, long story short, my cousin remind me say, you remember when you alright, we're gonna call her what can I call her? I call her Peanut. You remember when Peanut used to accuse you of there with paper towel? And I was like, yeah girl! Oh it go! What you mean? Guys, I was 15 when Peanut used to accuse me of staying with her man paper towel. I'm telling you how it go. Hold on, let me put some oil in my pot. Hold on. Yes guys, back to the story. I put oil in the pot. What did I say again? I don't remember. What was I saying? Guys, what was I saying? Remind me. Oh yes. Peanut used to do with paper towel, right? So, Peanut never want paper towel. Remember, I was 15, 16 around this time. And my cousin Peanut, she was like 18, 19 at this time. And paper towel was like probably 20 or 21. Yeah. Anyways, me never used to live. We can't tell now which part? No, me never used to live in a fidem place. Me used to live where my mother lived. But me used to go my auntie house. Like summertime, on the weekend and whatever. Me used to go my auntie house. Alright. So this specific weekend, me did go. And not really one specific weekend, but a whole heap of weekend will lead up to this. Anyways. One weekend, alright, I'm going to tell you about the 2 weekends where this lead up to. Alright, the first weekend, right? I'm go to one house party and when we got the house party, I think this was the first time I meet paper towel because it was my birthday and I did go as a it was a school uniform party, right? So I went and everything. So hold on guys. Hold on, don't move. Back to the story. Anyways, yeah, so I saw my friend. Anyways, this specific weekend was my birthday, right? And them did have a school clothes party or school uniform party, whatever they want to call it. Anyways, I met paper towel. Every time I look over this, I remember them name. I met paper towel this specific night, right? Because I did it in a nice little, school uniform because I was a cheerleader that specific year. So I wear my cheerleader uniform. Got a party. Anyways, when I went, I I don't like crowd. Me and crowd are not friend. Me and crowd is not friend. If I go one party and crowd there, I go there. I isolate myself and so. So at this specific time, I was standing out on the roadside, right? Stand up out at the roadside. My cousin might tell me, say, oh, come in at the party, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, no, I don't want to come in, I'm good, I'm stay out and so. People told the team enough self, come out there and say, if I want company. So I say, okay, fine. Remember, you know, him older than me. I not think about it that way they are, nothing like that. Anyways, we have a conversation. Me and talk, he ask me my name, how much, which school I go, all of them something. And I answer. And then we start getting some little deep conversation. Anyways, me never know say it was Peanut Man. So my next cousin, I got call her Stanley. Like Stanley Cup. Stanley is a girl though. Stanley come and she say, you know, say Peanut cousin, and the man say really, and she say yeah. So the man say, oh, you know what I say, I'm Peanut a cousin. So I say, huh? I need to tell her that, cause I don't know you from nowhere, and him laugh. So I say, oh, me if you know say you and Peanut together, you come out here and you introduce yourself and whatever. Me never know who you is, cause none of them never mind you. None of them never out here when me alone is out there and him come and attack me. None of my cousins them never out there, so I never know who he was. Him just come and attack me and we introduce yourself and whatever, right? Right. Why am I so excited? Anyways, Stanley come and introduce and say, Peanut cousin, and him say, oh, whatever. And then we out there and while we attack and whatever, and then Peanut come out and I said to him, say, and I said, oh, I'm gonna meet my cousin and whatever, and him say, yeah. So she said, when you come inside now, in the party, I go on, blah, blah, blah. So I said, no, I'm not coming, alright. So Stanley said, alright, shall I come? So Stanley is my favorite cousin. So Stanley said to me, say, come, maybe go in at the party. I'm going to say, alright. I'm going to go up there. I set up there for like 15 minutes and then I say, alright, I go back outside. So me go back and I go sit down back, which family they out on the roadside, on one little stone, something like, I go back out there to go sit down. Why people told to come out there? People told to come out there and something. Nobody else not come out there, but people told to come out there. Anyway. Him come out here and him sit down and we there and we have a conversation and whatever. Him ask if I'm cool, I tell him yes, him give me shirt and something. Mind you, I am only 15, 16 at this time. Me don't know nothing but man. I was still a virgin. Yeah? No man never put argument to me. I don't know what it was like. Right? Right. Call me naive, me not care. Me did naive, bad. Me did naive. If you did look at the dictionary and you say naive, you say me. Me and naive were hand in hand. Naive, bad. Fool, bad. Me that. Anyways, him offer me him shirt. I take him shirt, I put it on and everything. Alright, Peanut come out there and she look at me like, you know, bombastic side eye. And I'm never take nothing to it because as I tell you, naive, fool, I really didn't care. So she said to him, say, why you give her your shirt? And the man say, cause she cool and I your cousin, what you mean? And something. Anyway, we were out there talk and he will away attack and something. So same time Stanley and my next cousin named Puma. So Stanley, Puma, Peanut come out there. So while away out there now and while away attack and something. But Paper Towel mostly the next to me and him not get up is like a rock of Gibraltar. Him not moving. Implant. He ain't moving. Every time she call him and say, come to me and talk to you about something, he say, no man, it's alright. We can talk about that later. The man never want to move from my fractal. Anyways, put it on, we are talking and whatever. And then this about in the early morning, Stanley boyfriend come out. So my name Stanley boyfriend Ting. So Ting come and Ting say, when you ready, make me walk with you go road. And Paper Towel say, yeah, I'm gonna walk. So everybody are walk now and we are walk because it was a walking distance from where my auntie live. Forgot the party. So everybody are walk and so me I walk in front. Peanut and Paper Towel they run at the back. Stanley and Ting I walk and me and Puma I walk. So while we are walk and everything, alright? This was the first weekend when we meet him. All that's now on the brain. Alright guys, so sorry if I pass everything. Well, we're not gonna that. But anyways, so the second weekend now, I'm gonna go back over my auntie. Sorry. And what happened that weekend here? Oh yeah, we'll go on house party. Not in our area, further out in our area. So I think Ting was the driver, right? Ting was the one who drove. So once again, it was me, Stanley, Ting, Peanut, Paper Towel, Puma Man, my name Puma Man, Vinegar, and who else? Two other person did it. Oh, garlic and wine glass. All right. So 9 hours ago this time, right? So we were there and me there at the party. Everybody asked me, oh yeah, how much? Like people who would never see me the couple weekends before, they might ask me, oh yeah, how much? I might tell them. They might say, oh you look younger than that and blah blah blah, and whatever. Anyways, Peanuts and Paper Towel going at the party. Me, Stanley, and Ting stand up outside because Stanley, she don't really like crowd either, you know, but Tuesday her man did put on the last party, she did the inside of the party and whatever. But this time is that her man put on the party, so she outside with me, Ting, and we're out there and we are chatting and something. Paper Towel come out now and said to me, say, oh, you're not hug me friend, you come. And I'm like, okay. So I hug him. So Stanley touch me from my hand and I say, well, and she laugh. So I didn't say nothing. Anyways, me and Paper Towel stand up outside for the night. Basically the whole night. Him did out there with me. Stanley say, you're not going to your woman, and him say, no man, she good. She don't, you don't worry about her, she good. And then same time Peanut come out and Peanut say, you're not come inside. Why you out here so with Shantikwa? Why you out here with her? Why you cannot come inside and blah blah blah. And then she turned to me and she said, you think somebody knows say when you want my man? You think somebody knows say you want my man? I was like, hello? Who? Me tell her, I say, who want your man? Me? I don't want your ugly man. I don't want. Me say, I don't want your ugly man. Your man ugly. Me think say him that I'm a friend. Want I say you're insecure. Me say I don't want your ugly man. Me say you know say me at school as a schoolboy. I don't want a big man. Oh, sorry. I say a schoolboy, I don't want a big man. What me I do with big man? What me I do with big man? I say I'm a tough fact, I have my man. I never have no man. I never have no man, guys. But if you accuse me for want your ugly man, I say I don't want your ugly man. I don't want him. Talk to your man. I say why you come to me? Go to your man. I say go to your man. Don't come to me. And she did it. And she me see you on it tight. I wanna wrap up and him just itch up under you. I wanna wear my tail so make him itch up under you. Blah blah blah. I say, girl, I can't know him not tell me nothing. Him not telling me nothing. We're just having conversation. So same time Stanley drama because Stanley said me I get upset. said such drama and she said, him like you for true. I said, but that not have nothing to do with me. What that have to do with me? Him like me not have nothing to do with me. Me not like him. Honestly, guys, me never like him. Him ugly. Him ugly for true. Him ugly. Even though my baby father ugly still, you know, but them time there, me never like ugly man. Ugly man just wasn't my. Hey, the man ugly, you know. Me is not a storyteller, guys. I am not a storyteller. So if you don't open up, follow the story, follow along the story. Me am not a storyteller, but me just telling them my experience, cause my cousin reminded me about it last night, and me have empty her like a clip. Me have done her. Me done she and her man. Yeah. And I saw come she that accused me for want her man, for deal with her man. Feel like somebody what? What me do with the ugly man? People told did him up to this day I'm ugly. And you know what, guys? She never wanted me now because she did have a policeman. No, people are gonna know who me at, but me no business. She did have one local police on the side. And I went and said she did want the man. And I was just a child. How can you accuse a child of wanting a big man? Huh? Like, come on, man. But me have a couple more stories I can't tell them still, but not today. Today was Come on, tell me about more, yeah, man. I don't want you ugly, man. Yeah, man, ugly, bright. But yeah, guys, I'm have one next story about the same guy, about the same people told somebody they know. Wait. Yeah, guys, that was that little story time, and oh, my cousin accused me of dating with her ugly man. Our man ugly like. But after that, we did get close still. But it was just a friend close, not friend close, because it ended up say him did find out say she did a cheat with the policeman. So we did end up get close and so me so like my drink bang didn't come. But yeah, guys, my day I cook look of food. And them not come to backside. But I'm showing them a pot. Hold on. So my pot's here. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna spin it so I'm gonna turn. Guys, it smells good and it tastes good. I'm not ask. Watch out, that's why I'm showing nothing. It smells good and it tastes good. I'm not ask. Azera, I love that because that is our favorite. I need to take out the rice out of the fridge, but I'm gonna wait till them reach home. I take out the rice and warm it up. But no, that cannot cost still, but cannot cost. But I make it go and double down a little bit more and then I turn it off. But guys, I do one video upon the makeup look here. I wonder if I post it or not. Because I want my channel to be too oversaturated with too much different something. But beauty is part of makeup as well. So probably I go post it. Yeah, I go post it. I go post it. I don't care. I'm gonna post it. But yeah, guys, me keep on asking about you guys. How are y'all day? How are y'all? How's your day going? Is everything good? What are you guys eating? What did you cook on this fine Thursday evening? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, any day y'all watch it. What did you cook? What are you eating? I open and stay hydrated. Drink up no water. Yeah. I just said I don't have no water right now, but I have my water. Yeah. I open and drink up no water. Stay hydrated. The time is hot, man. you guys need to be staying hydrated. And how is y'all mental health? How is y'all doing? Anything we wanna go through, just remember it's just a part of life and nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. Okay? So whatever we wanna go through, just know say it shall come to an end. It shall pass, and it shall be a testimony that you shall talk about and say, you know, so I did I go through this one time, and yeah, that shall be a testimony. So just go and all out a little bit more. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. Just always remember that. Pray. Nothing beats prayer. On a good day, pray. On a bad day, pray. It doesn't matter what you're going through, always pray. God is listening. If you don't feel like saying, I'm going to answer on a prayer, I'm going to answer on a prayer. Just know, say, I'm going to answer. When you just need for all and the package get, whatever you pray for, it gets shipped out. It just not reach you yet. Just one all on the longer. But, may I go, you're there. After me telling a little story. Oh, my children are here. My parents them come, guys. So I'm gonna put the rice for warm, and then I'm gonna come back soon. Yes. Oh yeah, today is Shamika's birthday. Today is 6th. Guys, make two come back. I tell my cousin to your birthday. I never remember now. Me still come back.